Hi kids, this is your maths lesson. Today I am going to introduce you number 0. What is number 0? Let's see. Here you can see there are two pictures. The first picture we can see there are two baskets. In the first basket it has fruits. It's full of fruits. The second one, I can't see any fruits there. It's empty. Nothing we can see there. Okay, let's move on to the second picture. There are two fish tanks. In the first fish tank, we can see 4 fishes. But when we move on to the second tank, it seems like empty. We can't see anything there. So, 0 means it has no value, no objects. It's nothing, empty. Alright kids, let's learn more about number 0. Now here you can see different colorful flowers. We'll see how many butterflies on these flowers. I hope you all will join with me. On this blue flower we can see there are 3 butterflies. On the pink color flowers, we can see there are 2 butterflies. On the purple one, there is 1 butterfly. What about the yellow flower? I can't see any butterflies there. Can you see? No, there are no butterflies. It's 0 butterflies. First picture, it has 3 butterflies. Second picture, it has 2 butterflies. Third picture, there's 1 butterfly. Fourth picture, there's 0 butterflies. Here you can see different type of animals. We'll see how many legs do they have. Let's count with me. First, there's an innocent puppy we can see here. We'll count how many legs it has. 1, 2, 3, 4. The puppy has 4 legs. Okay. Second, we can see there's a parrot. Shall we count how many legs it has? 1, 2. 2 legs. Okay. Let's move on to third. Oh, there's a jumping dolphin. Okay, how many legs do this dolphin have? It has no legs. It has 0 legs. This puppy has 4 legs. Parrot has 2 legs. Dolphin has 0 legs. Okay kids, let's see what is the correct formation of writing number 0. Here you can see there are 2 zeros with its correct formation. Make a big loop Just like so, this is the way to make 0. Please practice to write 0 with dots and without dots. Alright kids, let's see what is the position of 0. Here, there's a number line. Look at this number line. The first number written on it here is 0. It starts with 0. Shall we count it? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 0 comes before the number 1. When we write numbers from 0 to 9, we write 0 first. Okay, I hope today you have enjoyed your maths lesson. Then kids, stay safe. Bye bye. Have a happy day.